Okay, so sorry I didn't get to this earlier. I've been a little busy. Uh, as you can see, here's my bench. Uh, Pretty obvious that the pad is much bigger than it was. This pad is um, 24-inch wide, about 11 and a half inches top to bottom. Um, all my own fabrication. Hopefully you can see that it's all stapled in, cloth covered in the back. Basically the same thing. I reverse engineered the old pad, which was only about, I think, 16 inches. This gives enough room for just about anybody with sizable arms. Okay, and then down here, I had to create a T for the back. It did look a little better when I first made it. But anyway, this is 1.75 inches. Welded in a couple of L brackets on either side. This slides perfectly in. I've got it bolted twice in here. I think I ran this about 12 inches deep. Pretty sure. But this works out a lot better than the original setup that it came with. Like I said, I had to completely tear apart the old pad to see how it went together. And this is the underside, the under round part under the pad up at the top. And basically what I found out, this is actually layered. It's glued together. Okay, I don't know if you can, yeah, maybe you can see that. See all those little lines here? Those are layers that have been glued together. And what I ended up doing is I ended up getting some packing material, big roll of it. I bought it on eBay. And actually took the sheets and glued them together. And I had to fabricate my own gluing press out of plywood and 2x4s. I don't happen to have that with me right now, or I'd show you. Maybe in a later video I'll do that. But also I beefed this up with 3/4 inch plywood instead of that 1/2 inch that they had on there. And it works out pretty good. Works out real good. So there it is. Hopefully this can help out a little bit. Maybe give you a little incentive, a little idea. Total Total money I had invested in the upgrade, I don't know, maybe 50, 60 bucks, give or take. Anyway, there it is. Works out good.